Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll be learning how to write the number name of a number using Indian place value chart and international place value chart. And afterward we'll be also learning the difference between the Indian and the international place value chart. So let's start. Indian system of numeration. We can count very large numbers starting from 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore and 10 crores. So, when we are counting by ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, then we are using Indian system of numeration. Here we make use of hundreds, thousands, lakhs, crores, etc. So let us try to read this big number using the Indian numeral system. First, let us place it under the place value chart according to the Indian numeral system. So, starting from the rightmost digit, we know it is the ones digit. Then comes the tens place, then hundred, then thousands, 10,000, then lakh, then 10 lakh, then crores and then 10 crores. So now it becomes very easy to read any large number if we place it under the place value chart according to the Indian numeral system. Here we are using Indian numeral system. So what is this number? This number is equal to 38 crores, 24 lakhs, 5,765. See, it becomes so easy to read such a large number. In case we are confused, then after placing it under numeral system, we can start reading the crores. Like how many crores are there? Here we have 38 crores. Next we have lakhs. Here we have 24 lakhs. What is followed? It is followed by thousands. Here we have 5,000s. And lastly, it is followed by how many hundreds? Tens and ones. So this way we can read any large number easily. You know, in the Indian system of numeration, we use commas to mark thousand, lakhs and crores. So, comma is used to mark how many thousands are there, how many lakhs are there and how many crores are there. Let us see this with an example. Where does first comma come? If you remember about the units period, it comprises of ones, tens and hundred position, and comma is placed after this. So it marks thousands. Here we know there are 5,000 and we can read the number as 5,348. Next, if we talk about the second comma, where does it come? We know the first comma is marking 1000 and it is placed after the units period. And after unit periods we have 1000 periods. So the comma is placed after the 1000 periods. And what does it mark? It marks how many lakhs. So here we have 8 lakhs. And if we read the number, then it is 8 lakhs 45,780. Now, if we talk about the third comma, here we already have the first comma which is after the units period. Then here we have second comma which is after the 1000 period. And then we have lakhs period. So this is the lakhs period. It consists of digits at lakhs and 10 lakhs place value. So the third comma is placed after the lakhs period and it marks crores. Like here we have 5 crore. So now you know how to read large numbers according to the Indian numeral system. Now let us read this number according to the Indian numeral system. So we know this is crore place, this is lakhs place, this is 1000, and this consists of unit period which is consist of 100, tens and ones. So the number can be read as 5 crores 23 lakh 18,050. See, 5 crore 23 lakh 18,050. That was all about Indian numeral system. Now we'll be learning about the international number system. Look at this table. It shows the period, the places and the place value. In this system, the 6-digit numbers are placed in the ones and the 1000 period. The 7-digit numbers are placed in the ones, the 1000 and the millions period. Here, each period consists of 3 places. The ones period consists of the places ones, tens and 100. The thousands period has the places thousands, 10,000 and 100,000s. And the billion period has million, 10 millions and 100 millions. Now let us learn to read and write numbers using the international number system. We write the numbers in the standard form using commas and read the numbers using the periods. Look at the example. We begin with the right and insert a comma after every 3 digits and we divide the number into its period and read each period separately. So, we write the given number in standard form as 1, 3, 4, 7, 8, 2, 1. And we read it as 1,347,821. Similarly, we can write 7-digit numbers in the standard form using the periods. Example, 8,400,307. Place the digits in the place value chart starting with 8 millions in the million period. Next, 400,000 in the place value chart starting with 8 millions in the million period. in the thousand period. Lastly, 307 in the ones period. Here also we write the number in the standard form using comma as 8, 4, 0, 0, 307. Just try one more example. We write this number in standard form as 3, 0, 0, 0, 8, 4, 3. We read this number as 3,843,000. Did you notice here? We did not read the place value of the zeros, but we did write them to show the place value. Its number name is 3,843,000. We'll be learning the difference between Indian number system and international number system. There are a lot of difference between both number systems like periods, places and inserting commas. To understand the difference between Indian number system and international number system, look at the place value charts of both the number system. The first chart is International Number System place value chart, and second chart is Indian Number System place value chart. It is useful to compare 9-digit number in these two charts. First period from the right side is ones period. It has 3 places. They are ones place, tens place and hundreds place. In this one period, there is no difference between both number system. Next period in both number system is thousand period. In international number system, it has 3 places. They are thousand place, 10,000 place and 100,000s. But in Indian number system, thousand periods has 2 places only. They are thousand place and 10,000 place. After thousand period in international number system, million period. It has 3 places. They are million place, 10 millions place and 100 millions place. In Indian number system, after thousand period is lakhs period. It has only 2 places. They are lakhs place and 10 lakhs place. Next period in Indian number system is crores period. It also has 2 places. They are crores place and 10 crores place. These are the main differences in both number system. Now, let us see these two numbers. First number is 376,523,180. Second number is 65 crore 74 lakh 83,231. In these two numbers, which is Indian number system, which is international number system, and what are the place value? To understand this, commas are helpful. Look at the first number. In this number, after every 3 digit, insert a comma. This method is used in international number system. So this numbers belong to international number system. Now look at the second number. The first 3 digits from right side are separated by a comma, and after every 2 digits are separated by commas. This method is used in Indian number system, so it belongs to Indian number system. And commas are helpful to identify the place value of a number. Now observe one number, how to change it into the place value into international and Indian number system. The number is 32576328 Now we keep it international number system place value chart. As per this chart, we read it as 325,763,283. The same number now we try to read as per Indian number system. We read it as 32 crores 57 lakh 63,283. I think you have understood now one number place value how to change as per both number system. Comparison of numbers between both number systems. Left side Indian number system and right side international number system. 1 lakh in Indian number system is equals to 100,000 in international number system. 10 lakh in Indian number system is equals to 1 million in international number system. 1 crore in Indian number system is equals to 10 millions in international number system. 10 crores in Indian number system is equals to 100 millions in international number. I think at the end of this video you have understood the differences between the both number system. Thank you for watching this video.